Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you some treats that I made, and it is for the special day of Groundhog Day. I know that a lot of people don't really care about this day, but for me, it's the day before my birthday, number one. Number two, it means that spring and summer is a lot closer, or we're gonna get 6 more weeks of winter, which I hate winter. I came from Houston, Texas from the warm weather to New Jersey, and here it is way too cold all the time. So I made some treats and showed you as a DIY how to make them and things. So as the little story goes, if the groundhog sees his shadow emerges from the burrow on this day, then spring season will arrive early, which is 6 weeks early, which yay, I hope it does. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll be glad to answer any of the questions that you have. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye!